Hello everyone, and another weekend has come and I've come with another informative video. You can see my three beautiful motorcycles in the background and the car that I drive. So today my motorcycle, the one that I got, the R3, has a tire puncture. Actually it has multiple tire punctures and we will have to replace the tire. So I will just be providing some information about how some things that a layman or a woman also needs to know about tires. So let's just check that and then we will head to the dealer. I have connected with Cine Tire Shop in Porvorim. I had connected with a few in Mapsa, but he was giving the best price. So I'm going to go for Apollo Alpha H1, and that's the size of 150 section is the size of the tire. The stock tire is 140 section, but 150 section will provide me a better grip. So let's check the information on tires and then we head to the dealer. Okay, so as you can see, my stock R3 tire is a Metzeler. It's a 140 17 R17 section tire, and the one I'm looking for, the Apollo Alpha H1, is 150 60 R17. It's a low profile tire compared to this. So few things, like here it's written TWI, which indicates the tread wear indicator. As you can see, there is a slightly raised portion here in between the grip. So when you are riding a motorcycle and the tire wears, if it reaches this grip reaches this level, it means that the tire is due for replacement and it is not safe to ride after this. Also, if you can see, there are some slight cracks in this tire, which is also the reason I should replace this tire. Though the tire grip is good, but these cracks will not sustain the tire, right? So that is one. TWI is the most important thing. In India, usually people don't follow that. People make the tire very bald and then still use it, but ideally you should change the tire when the grip matches the tread wear indicator. Also, there is information of the tire, like what is the load rating. It can take up to 300 kgs max. So if you look closely at this tire, it does not only have the width and the ratio, but it also has something called as 66H. So 66 is the load rating of this tire and H is the speed rating. The charts are available online. I will try to put it in this video, but yeah, you can definitely refer to the charts that are available. 66 will have some certain load rating for the tire to operate safely, and H will be the speed rating. Metzlers are slightly expensive tires. Apollo is slightly more affordable than this, but yes, it's most ideal for the Indian road conditions. I have watched several videos and the results that I concluded were saying that Apollo Alpha H1 is the best for this vehicle. Though the stock tire is 140 mm, I can slightly increase it to 150. That's not a problem, because it's a 320cc twin cylinder engine, so it can take up the load, right? So if you try to fit like a 150 section to my R15, the engine is small, the fuel efficiency will drop, and you will also face, like, the vehicle is getting heavier, the pull is getting little heavier, it will not run as smoothly. So it's very important to choose a compatible tire for your vehicles, and that's the reason the motorcycle companies or the vehicle companies give a standard. See, if you see here, it's a 140 70 R17 tire, and again it's a H66H speed rating and the load rating. And that's my FZ. It's taking rest actually for some time, but we have a restoration project of this also very soon. As you can see, I have a tire inflator with me which I borrowed from a friend. So this will help me fill air in my punctured tire, and once I fill the air, I will take it to the tire dealer. How this thing works is, I have to connect it to the car, and then that will draw power, or DC power, and then I can inflate my tire. So now we are going to start the vehicle, and this is where I have connected it. So the rear wheel tire pressure is 33 psi. We will slightly put more because the tire air reduces over time because there is a puncture. So I am connecting it to my R3 tire. So let's start the machine. As you can see, it has achieved 34.5, which is good enough for our wheel. And now the next step is to go to the tire dealer. See, there was a puncture already and there was a puncture on this puncture, so the air was leaking. So as you could see, this simple machine which is available for around 2,500 rupees can save your day if you are stranded somewhere. So it's lightweight also. For motorcyclists who are traveling far can carry this with them in their backpack. It's very nice, portable and easy to use. So we have reached Cine Tire Care. Like I mentioned earlier, we had inquired in 3 places, but he was the most polite and the price was also decent. अपोलो अल्फा H1 आहे. फोन केला सकाळी. असा फिटिंग करून भेटला ना. गाडी भीतर घेऊ. होय ते. क्या है अल्फा H1 डालना है? क्या नहीं होगा? नहीं, वो बोला ना कोई ट्रायम्फ वाला आता है. वो लोग आएगा. ये बड़ी गाड़ी का चेंज नहीं करते हो क्या आप? बहुत प्रॉब्लम करते हैं और वो लोग मैकेनिकल रहता है उसको ABS का भी शायद है. यूट्यूब देखते हो? यूट्यूब देखते हो? हाँ देखते हैं. हाँ, मेरा भी चैनल है यूट्यूब. कभी टाइम मिलता है तो खुद से ही रहते हैं. हाँ, खुद को देखो भी. मैं तुम्हारा डालूंगा चेहरा. मेडझेलर बट दोरून पुसली ती गाडी. म्हणजे क्रॅक्स असा फुल टायर वर. ऊपर जा 150 60 70 ये है 150 60 70 अपोलो. H1 लाना, S1 नहीं. टायर यही है ना. 2 ईयर अनकंडीशनल वारंटी है. और अल्फा H1 66W. ठीक है, चलो. So they don't have the expertise to remove the tire there, so hence we have come here at Triumph service, and they will remove the tire here and then fit it there and again get it back. आप नहीं, लेकिन कोई और सेकेंड हैंड टायर वाले करते होंगे. एक्साइटेड. ये क्यों लगाते हो? स्मूथ जाने के लिए अंदर. हो गया. नाइट्रोजन मत डालो. दो कल आपका भी डालूंगा. आपका नाम क्या है? सुलेमान का भी डालेंगे. अभिषेक तो हीरो है भाई. वो टाइगर श्रॉफ है. क्या बात कर रहे हो? डांस सिखाते हो क्या? सच में इधर परोर में चलाते हो? डांस चलाते हो? डांसर है. इधर एक स्टेप करके दिखाओगे क्या? चलो चलो चलो, एक स्टेप करके दिखाएंगे. अरे एक स्टेप. अरे YouTube पे आएंगे. एक स्टेप करके दिखाओ. अरे हो जाएगा
मेरे को चला रहे सब कर पाता है।
ये
असल में बच्चों का वो है, ये
टीचर है।
टीचर है, टीचर बहुत बच्चे को टीचर है। मजाक स्टार्ट।
अरे एक करके दिखाओ भाई स्टेप। एक चले लास्ट दिस is all. All the best, bro. हाँ मेरे अच्छे कार्ड
Mode of payment?
UPI. Okay, thank you. So finally my R3 is ready with a low profile tire compared to the previous one. This is Apollo Alpha H1 which has a good speed rating. I hope you like my video and you check my channel and you do subscribe to it since you have come so far watching it, and say hi to my brothers also. See you. तुम डांस करके नहीं दिखा रहे हो क्या?
डांस आता ही नहीं, इन लोगों को डांस आता ही नहीं।
हो गया, नहीं कर रहे हो डांस?
सही था, गाड़ी
जाओ।
आता ही नहीं, आता तो कर देते। ऑल गाइस,
ये देखो, ये बोलेगा आपको।
Chalo, these guys are kidding. It's time for me to go. See you. We were at Cine Tire World. It's a good place, good price and good service. See you soon.